The mad lads at Apple finally did it. They actually did it. They officially announced the AR Apple headset. Apple Vision Pro is the official name. Those of you guys that don't know what AR stands for, it means augmented reality, because they don't want it to be a VR experience per se. They want it to be more like an augmented reality experience, meaning that the things appear in your real life world. So you can fully be immersive in your real life, which could be very, very interesting. An example of what AR is, in case you guys are wondering, is I believe on Amazon, if you have the app, it gives you the ability to put the furniture in your house to get a scaling of how it will look and everything. It's similar to that technology. Apple revealed that it's going to have smart eyesight, which reveals your eyes when people are around and immerses them when people are not around. It's apparently going to connect seamlessly to your, iPad, your Mac, your presumably phone as well, which will be pretty cool via iCloud. And then also they mentioned that you can control stuff with your eyes, your hands, and your voice. And apparently Siri will be amazing on there and so many things. How it's supposed to do is apparently it's supposed to, when you look at it, it tracks your eyes and actually, so I'm interested to see how that will work out. Now, if I'm being honest, that one thing that the whole thing throughout the whole event, I was like, oh, I gotta know how this works. I can't wait for someone to test it, which is video editing. I would love to. It seems super inconvenient, possibly, but at the same time, you can technically use your keyboard and stuff and just have it as a screen on your eyes. Okay, that's totally weird. And it's going to be a 4K screen. So in theory, you could still use your keyboard for just about everything. But I guess you would have to use your hands to move stuff over. Or if you're using it at just a monitor, does that count as a waste of money? I don't know. All the questions are valid, okay? Tell me they're valid. They're definitely valid. Okay. Anyway, and if that's not enough, it's going to have its own Vision OS, so Vision operating system. Basically, think of it, how the iPhones have iOS, the Macs have Mac OS, the iPads have iPad OS. Well, now the Apple Vision Pro is going to have Vision OS. Now, how much is it going to cost? That's the price. That's the thing. And the price is $34.99. That's $3,499 US. So, yeah, it's actually a pretty steep headset. So I wouldn't recommend using it just as only a monitor. I mean, hey, it's your money if you want to use it as just a monitor. Actually, if you do buy it, let me know how video editing works on it. But Yeah, it definitely your money, but keep in mind for that price you can get uh, two studio displays for that price if monitor is your only goal. But that does seem interesting. I gotta admit, I got pretty excited with it. Okay, I don't know if it's just the hype or if I'm truly excited because Apple has the tendency to make these presentations and hype everything up. Apple's good with building the hype. So I'll have to wait and see how this unveiled to see if it's going to be real good or not. I'm sure we'll hear lots more details on it in the future. But with that said, I'm going to end it off here. Let me know your thoughts on the Apple Vision Pro, Vision OS, and even the steep price point of $34.99. Let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.